Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. This time I have two boxes, but unfortunately no credit card, which means I have to go to Walmart. And I called the bank today, and they said they mailed it if I don't get the card by Tuesday to call them. But I'm out of wet cat food, so I have to go to Walmart again and buy 10 cans, so that's not last very long. All right, here's the latest product in the mail, and let me put this. I'm going to do this. So I just got to open it. Open it very easily with one hand. I gotta get a scissor. I'm gonna set this down and hope it stays up. Okay, there we go. Lean against the big box. And let's see, put that over there. Alright, this is the second anchor charging cable. They sent me a new one. I got the other one last week and paid for that one, so they sent me a replacement. So open it up. America's leading USB charger brand. And they give you one. This is a different one. They gave me a zippered thing when I bought it, but this one is in a leather pouch. But I'm happy. I've got an extra cable. So I put this away, and Anchor is a great brand. Much better than the Apple cables, whose rubber rots. These have an 18-month warranty on them. Okay, so there it is. The Anchor charging cable box. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I'll do the next video in a second, so I won't have to carry this big box around. Have a great day and stay warm and safe out there, and a great weekend. Bye-bye for now. Alright, there we go. And I'll open this up one more time. You probably couldn't see that very well. And there it is. So that's about 18 bucks. So I have an extra in case something happens to the one I just bought. Okay. Bye-bye, folks.